Hi everybody! This is the easiest recipe to make your own homemade deodorant. You only need 4 ingredients. And this is so much better than any natural deodorant I have ever purchased. With me it lasts for up to 24 hours, which is great. Really great. I'm really happy with this one. And you need a jar, because this is going to be a cream deodorant. So let's see how I did it. I started adding cornstarch or corn flour, and then I added coconut oil, which is nice and melted this time of the year. And then I added my bicarbonate of soda, which is the main ingredient of this deodorant. As we all know, bicarbonate of soda works great with bad smells, so this is the fundamental ingredient that you need. So here it is, my 2 teaspoons. You mix them up together. You need to obtain a cream. And now you're ready to add essential oils. I chose tea tree oil because it's a natural disinfectant, which is really good for your armpits. And my choice was patchouli oil because I had this one and because it smells good. But it's very strong, so I add only 2 drops of it. And once you mix them up, you're finished. You have it. Here it is. Look at there, it looks like an ice cream. Like a dessert, I don't know. It's so good, it smells great, and now you can just transfer the whole cream inside this nice jar. Any jar is totally fine. Give it like half an hour before using it. This will be the consistency. So trust me, this is the best deodorant ever. Ever. And thank you for watching.